Enveloped in a warm and inviting atmosphere, Kaylee's eatery serves vegan menus. The aroma of plant-based delights teases your taste buds, building anticipation for a delicious and compassionate vegan dining experience.
So Kaylee, the variety of food that is on offer, talk to us about what you experienced on that front, particularly as it grew, the business grew, dispelling some of the misconceptions as well as to really what is available for people who want to adopt a vegan lifestyle.
So that's why this restaurant is here. You know, a lot of people think that, oh, vegan food, you're just going to eat some twigs and leaves. But I wanted to show people that vegan food can be fulfilling and delicious, and to change there's a misconception, to change people's minds of what vegan food is. I mean, our menu is designed that anyone who comes here will feel comfortable and know what the dishes are. So we have items like waffles and pancakes and burgers and pizzas. So it is familiar food. And you know, we're not trying to make it taste exactly like you're eating a steak or, you know, a chicken burger. They are similar. That gives, you know, shows people that you don't have to give up chicken, but you know, this item can replace it and, you know, give you an option to go more plant-based.
The influencing of you choosing to be vegan or adopting a vegan lifestyle, how that would have also affected your overall lifestyle at large?
So I've always been a big animal lover from when I was younger. I've always loved dogs. That's why we have a dog section. And when I was younger, I actually suffered with dairy intolerance. So that limited a lot of my choices, you know, for like ice creams and chocolates and everything. So I was always a kid that had a sore stomach from those things. That's why I'm quite invested in vegan baking, not only for the vegan lifestyle, but for people who have intolerances, and a lot of people have intolerances with eggs as well. But anyway, just based off why I adopted this lifestyle, it was mainly for ethical reasons. When I was 15, I just started doing some research into what happens, you know, behind the scenes of like these animal farms and everything. I don't advise you to do that, but you know, you have to educate yourself. I mean, like my mom was always, you know, she would tell me, oh, don't worry, the chickens, we got the organic ones, they're so happy, to kind of make me feel a bit better. And then just the one day, I think I watched this one horrible documentary, and I said to my parents, I'm not eating any animals again.
For expert advice on a vegan diet, we spoke to Chloe Morris, a registered dietitian with Nutritional Solutions.
Veganism is so exciting. It's such a great way of living. It's heart healthy, it's great for your gut, it's great for the environment, but there are a few key nutrients that we need to keep an eye on. So I think the approach that I would take to veganism is variety is so important. The more variety, the more nutrition, and I think that's the key to balance. There are a few nutrients, like I said, that we need to keep an eye on. Firstly, vitamin B12, that's the first one that comes to mind, the most important one. That's essential, and with that I do recommend a supplement. Otherwise, fortified foods like cereals often have vitamin B12 in them. Iron is also super important. That's something we struggle to get in the vegan diet. So with that, think beans, lentils, tofu, and pairing that with a vitamin C rich food like peppers or oranges, that can definitely enhance the absorption of iron. And most people don't know this, but tea and coffee actually stops the absorption of iron. So skipping out on your tea and coffee around meal times is important to get the most from the iron that you're eating. And then of course, without dairy, we have to think about calcium. So how do we get calcium? Where do we get it to keep our bones healthy and strong? Definitely tofu again, fortified plant milk, and your green leafy veg like kale and broccoli. And the age-old debate, protein. Everyone asks, do vegans get enough protein? That's such a common question I get. And the answer is yes, absolutely. They can definitely get enough protein. That is if they're diligent about it. So often it just takes a little bit of extra effort, but protein is actually readily accessible. It's readily available for vegans. There's lots of sauces, lentils, beans, tofu, soy products, there are so many sauces. So it really is just about being diligent about it, but yeah, those are the four most important nutrients that sort of lack in the vegan diet, but we have access to them.
Meet the husband who traded in his meat-loving ways for a plant-based lifestyle, but only after meeting the love of his life. It seems Martin Brown has found a recipe for happiness, and it starts with a healthy dose of romance.
And so speaking about, her influence and her passion as well, what have been some of your favorite dishes that you've managed to explore with her? How has that also influenced your lifestyle choices?
Yeah, so I guess when it comes to the cooking at home, I'd like to say that I don't have anything at all to do with it.
Oh, wow.
Let's just say I don't have the skill set for that. But again, being married to a vegan chef makes all the difference in the world.
Absolutely. And you would have not have embraced this veganism or vegetarian lifestyle at the beginning of your relationship. So how would Kaylee's influence have played a part in your lifestyle and what you've adopted?
Kay and myself, we met 9 years ago. I guess the big shift for me, becoming vegetarian, vegan was Kaylee. She actually told me that she doesn't think she'd ever date anyone who ate meat. So a week later, I gave it up. And then over the last 9 years, I really started educating myself. Well, Kaylee educating me and me educating myself around the lifestyle. And
The tasting menu is nothing short of an art exhibition, one which tastes as good as it looks. From kitchen to table, the vegan revolution is serving up more than just a meal. We've seen the passion, the creativity, and the benefits of a plant-based lifestyle. And after making a delicious vegan pizza at Kaylee's Eatery, one thing is clear: veganism is not just a diet, it's a delicious choice. Liesl Wilson for SABC News.